Hi, I'm Swan, and today I'm going to make you the Ruby from our newly launched Icons menu at the Caley bar at the Waldorf Astoria Edinburgh. So for this cocktail, we use a local Edinburgh gin with some hibiscus flowers. We are also going to use a pomegranate and rose liqueur. For me, I like how bright and vibrant the color is. I like that you've got all these really classic flavors going on. We're using local spirit. We're supporting really great local businesses. It's super drinkable and nice, light and refreshing. And we are going to serve this just over a nice block of ice. And then to finish, we are going to top it with just a splash of soda. And here you are. This is the Ruby. Perfect.